Hi, friends, ready to dive into the magical world of multiplying decimals?
Absolutely. It's going to be a blast.
First, let's make sure we know what decimals are. They're like special numbers that help us deal with parts of a whole, like money and measurements.
If you are not sure about what are decimals, we have made a video about it. You can find it in our playlist or check it out on SmartyTunes.
Fantastic. Now, let's multiply some decimals together.
See this? 0.2 times 0.3. It's like magic.
We multiply just like we do with whole numbers, but we also need to pay attention to the decimal point.
.06.
Now, let's imagine we have a pizza. A delicious, cheesy pizza.
Each slice represents a decimal number. Let's say each slice is 0.4, and we have 3 slices.
So, 0.4 times 3 is 1.2. Time for a multiplication challenge. So, we're going to ask you some questions, and you can write out the answers.
Are you ready? Here's the first one. 0.5 times 0.6.
Great job. How about 0.7 times 0.4 equals?
You're doing amazing. Last one. 0.9 times 0.2.
Wow, that's great work, you're decimal multiplication wizards.
Remember, keep practicing, and you'll become even more magical at it.
Thanks for joining us today, friends. We hope you had a blast multiplying decimals with Sally and Billy. Keep exploring the world of maths, and don't forget to have fun along the way.
See you next time for more maths adventures.